Hey guys, so I was sitting here doing my makeup and then I realized that because I have not uploaded a wash day diary, hence the twist in my hair, I figured it probably makes sense to film a get ready with me diary. Just sitting here like filming a vlog, which you guys will also be seeing, but I figured why not make 2 videos in one, you know? So instead of talking about my hair and chatting about a certain topic, I will be talking about my makeup and chatting about a certain topic. So this is kind of like my everyday base if I am filming or if I am, you know, just want to look a little more presentable. Lately I haven't been wearing foundation, but I put some on today and I'm kind of regretting it. I feel like it's not really doing anything for me. I don't know. I've been thinking a lot lately about just stopping wearing foundation altogether because I don't know. I find that oftentimes it just doesn't really do anything for me. Like it never really, I don't know, it doesn't really do anything for me. Let me know how you guys feel about foundation, if you wear it, if you don't wear it. I've been really enjoying just wearing concealer and like the rest of my face basically just without the foundation. So a mixture of things. But first, make sure you guys grab your tea. I'm gonna go wet my beauty blender. I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, one of the things I wanted to chat about is just like life. Like I was in the shower earlier and I was just realizing that like I am literally living the life that I dreamed about. Like my life doesn't look all glamorous, but I didn't dream about a glamorous life. I dreamed about the life that I'm living right now. A life that allows for flexibility, a life that allows for freedom, a life that allows for prioritizing my health, mental health, physical health. And I realized in the shower earlier that I am living that exact life. And I was just like so overwhelmed with gratitude and joy and excitement and like, y'all don't even understand. And the point of me sharing this is not to, you know, make people feel bad if they're not living their ideal life. It is more so to inspire you and more importantly to get you to reflect and get clear on like what is your ideal life, you know? Because with the wonderful world of social media, a lot of times we get fed these images of what life should look like. And you may not even want the life that is being portrayed on, you know, on these different platforms. The life that you're seeing, the life that you're starting to idolize might not even be the life that you actually want. So just spend some time reflecting about what do you actually want. What do you actually want in life? What do you want your life to look like on a regular basis? Something that I love doing and I learned from the movie The Secret is, I'm sure they weren't the first to create it or talk about it, but they just talk about the law of attraction, and one of the tools that they use in manifesting is visualization. And that is a tool that I use a lot with coaching clients and also a tool that I use myself on a regular basis. And visualizing is just so dope because it's almost like it gives you this like, you know, that virtual reality stuff that they have now. It's basically like that in your mind. Visualizing to the point where what you want is so clear and transparent that it feels like you're already living in that existence. And I was doing that the other day and I was visualizing about the life that I wanted. And honestly, today when I was in the shower, I just realized that like so many pieces of that visualization are already a reality. The main things that aren't a reality is, it's like minor things, like the location, like where I'm living right now is not necessarily where I've visualized. And like I said, minor things, it's like minor details that aren't 100% the same as this visualization that I've had in my mind for so long, but the root of it, the feeling of it is exactly what I want. The freedom, feeling healthy, feeling like my health is a priority, feeling like I can take care of myself financially, mentally, physically. Like, those are the things that I've craved for so long, and I am living that. And I'm just shook by that, and just so grateful. But I'm sharing this because I really want you guys to reflect on, like, what are you telling yourself that you want, and really questioning, why do you want it? Because society, our parents, our friends can have us feeling like we want and need a lot of things. A lot of things. Like cars and husbands and wives. And it's like, you gotta stop sometimes and just really ask yourself, is this what I want? Are they things that you're working for? Are they things that you want? Or are they things that someone else has put in your mind? Or are they things that you just started to idolize after a while and you feel like, well, I have to go after these things now? I feel like this camera is washing me out because there's no sun outside right now. It's just cloudy. But yeah, just question why you want what you want. And I don't know if I'm just super reflective because I just had my podcast interview, so I was... Okay. Okay, awesome. Thank you. Yes, definitely. And thank you so much for just contributing. Like, I'm just so, like, amazed and, like, moved by what God is doing through this community, and the fact that, like, every day I go on and you guys are, like, pouring in and, like, making me feel amazing also just by sharing. And I was talking a lot about, like, my story and stuff, and maybe that's why I'm, like, super deep and reflective right now, but I'm always super deep and reflective, to be honest. So side note, I've been using this new stuff on my brows. Where is it? It's this like brow, it's called Brow This Way, brow styling gel. I did not think I was gonna like this product. This is it. It's like a brown color, but my eyebrows have been looking so fleeky lately, and I've been using this, and they are not threaded, as you can see. Like, they are not done. But this product has just been changing the game. And I only bought it because it was on sale. Like, it was on sale at Dwayne Reed, Walgreens. So I was like, oh, let me just try it. It was like $2, I think. And I was like, oh, I wanted to try a new gel product for my eyebrows. But see how, like, messy it looks right now? Like, it doesn't look cute, but I promise you, when I put the concealer on, it changes the game. You hear me? I feel like my face doesn't look snatched the way I want it to. I might have to... Oh, yes, son. Come through, son. But yeah, I'm just really happy. I'm in a really happy place, a really content place. So excited about the stuff that I'm working on for Soul Beauty Chat. My business is officially launched. My website has officially relaunched. And if you're interested in learning about how you can work with me, all the information is in the description box. If you don't know, if this is your first time here, I'm the founder of the Soul Beauty Chat, and it's just a dope destination where you can come growing your faith, growing your purpose, and in your walk with God with a community of other dope women. And I'm just so grateful for this community. And I'm really, really excited about the group coaching program that I'm going to be launching, that you guys are going to be hearing about soon, if you haven't already heard about it. And if you're interested in working with me, this is a great chance for people who have been wanting to work with me but couldn't afford the one-on-one sessions. This is your chance. And this is your chance. And this is your shot. The Soul Beauty Chat shop is now open, where you can purchase your Soul Beauty Chat mug. Big things popping in 2018, okay? I'm so excited about what God is doing. But yeah, look at my eyebrows. Look how they just transform. Do we see the way they just transform? I can transform, yeah. I can transform, yeah. I can. And it's like when the gel dries down, it just gives your brows such a nice finish. Like, And I'm oily, so my brows tend to get oily throughout the day, but they don't get as oily with this product on. Like, shooketh. That's me being shooketh. So yeah, I try to let it sit for a little while, because it's like when it sits, it kind of like gets a little tacky. Auntie Jackie taught me that. Auntie Jackie hooked me up with the tricks of the trade. But yeah, I let it sit for a little while. In the meantime, I'm gonna like chisel out my cheeks. So I've been looking real chubby in the face lately, but it's okay because your girl is back in the gym trying to get it right, get it tight. Honestly, this year for me is all about like investing in myself. Like, I started doing it at the end of last year, but that's what I've just been very focused on that lately. Like, just investing in myself, spending money on myself. And not just to get my nails done, get my hair did. Like, no. Really investing in myself. So instead of just signing up for a gym membership, I am actually going to be taking personal training sessions. Because I'm worth the investment. I believe that. And I believe that I'm preparing myself for what I really want, what I'm seeking. And like I said, I am living the life that I dreamed of, but I also have bigger dreams. I have bigger goals, other things I want to accomplish, and I have to be ready for that, you know? So yeah, that's what I wanted to chat about. I hope that this was helpful and inspired someone, and also for anyone wondering about my makeup, you know? You can also see what I'm doing to my face these days, because I don't really talk about makeup that much. But look at these brows. Look at the sun just coming through. I'm actually going to get my brows threaded probably tomorrow. No, probably Wednesday. So I have to go into the city tomorrow. But it's going to be a fun week for the vlog. I'm going to be taking you guys along for a lot of really fun things that I'm going to be doing. So make sure you are subscribed if you are not. If you are, once you subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, make sure you comment down below. Because we are a community over here. We truly are, and I'm so grateful for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking, zoom through the rest of my makeup, and I'll show you guys at the end what it looks like. Come through, sun. Come through, sun. Come through. Okay. I still feel like my face is not as snatched as I wanted it for some reason. It's just not giving me the snatched effect that I wanted. Maybe I'll contour my nose today. I just want it to be snatched, and it's not snatched. What's going on? Where's the snatch? Where's the snatch? Working at home alone has its benefits. Sometimes it gets a little weird. Like, sometimes I feel like people are just watching me, you know? Especially because I film in front of my window. So sometimes I'll find myself just looking out the window like, who is that? What are you looking at? I was doing that earlier. I literally like stopped filming and like was peeking through the window like, who the heck is that? What are they looking at? I mean, I could be right. I hope I'm not. I hope I'm very wrong, but I could be right. Some highlighter. Finished look. Yeah, I need to like blend that in so it doesn't look so like separated from my scalp. But yeah, okay, so that is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me as I got ready, and I hope that this topic resonated with you. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. If you've ever considered, why do you want the things you want? And yeah, let's talk about it. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.